Why do vacations feel short, but boring days feel endless? Think about a fun trip with friends. It ends so fast. But when you're in a class that's not fun, every minute feels like forever. Why does time seem to move so differently? Time is strange. It feels different depending on what we're doing. This is called subjective time, how we feel time in our minds. A clock moves the same way, but our minds see it differently. Sometimes an hour feels like a second. Other times, it feels like a day. Why does time feel fast or slow to us? Let's find out why time feels so different. Our emotions change how we feel time. When you're happy, like at a party or playing a game, time goes fast. You're so busy having fun that you don't notice the clock. But when you're sad, bored, or waiting for something, time moves slowly. Think about waiting for a bus on a cold day. It feels like forever. Routines also affect time. Doing the same thing every day, like school or work, can make time feel slow. All days feel the same, and nothing feels new. But new experiences, like traveling or trying a hobby, make time feel fast. Your brain is busy noticing new things, so time seems to pass quickly. For example, a day at a fun park feels short because it's exciting. But a day doing homework alone can feel like it never ends. Our sense of time changes with how much we enjoy the moment. Maybe time doesn't change, only how we live it does. Do things you like every day, and time may feel quicker. Or relax to enjoy peaceful times, and time may feel longer. What makes time go fast for you? Live each moment in your own way to make it special.
Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments.
When does time feel fast or slow for you?
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to see more stories like this in the future.